My name is Baba Femi Isijola. Welcome to Scholars Crest International School Market Adventure.
My name is I'm a parent here at Scholars Crest International School, and I bought quite a number of things like Indomie, jewelry, children's stuff and snacks, vegetables and all. And it's been quite a very wonderful experience because children get to learn how to trade, how to exchange items for money, and I'm very happy to be here. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. I'm at Scholars Crest Market Adventure. My name is Ayumi Kolawole. I'm one of the parents here. I came here to shop because I saw market, so I came. The moment I entered, I saw fresh fruits, fresh vegetable, fresh okra. 500 naira okra, you cannot get that anywhere.
Hi, my name is Temitope Olukoya. I'm at Scholars Crest Market Adventure. It's really been a fun time. The children have had great experiences buying and selling, negotiating, convincing, telling us the quality and the standard of their product. It's been very amazing, and kudos to the teachers, to the school management for organizing such an event. And to the glory of the Lord, it's been a successful event.
I'm here today to experience their Scholars Crest Market Adventure. I must say it's been a very interesting adventure. So I think it's a very, very good experience for the school to introduce children to things like this so that they can have a first-hand experience of it.
It's actually quite an experiential one, and I'm having fun with all the nice things going on around here. I love what they're doing with the kids. It's good the kids learn how to buy and sell, and I hope that they bring more initiatives like this in the future.
Hello, my name is Inokulia. Scholars Crest is hosting a market adventure where me and my fellow classmates get to express what we've done in our IDL. And as you can see here, we have some bank slippers and belts. All of this took a lot of time and effort to make. And I hope more people come and see our work. And in future, I hope to make more brilliant work.
Hi, my name is Tireni. I am a learner of Scholars Crest International School, and today is Scholars Crest Market Adventure Day. Today, we are selling crochet products made by the learners of this great school during our IDL classes.
Today's adventure has been fun, and it was actually really good because I had the experience of me buying and selling to other people.
My name is Odumorayo Abimbola. I'm a grade 4 teacher. Today is Scholars Crest International Market Adventure, and it's been wonderful. Our learners are able to bring their classroom outside, practicing mathematics with farm produce. That was marvelous. And thank you to the school for organizing this glorious and adventurous market for us. We really appreciate it. We all have fun.
It's been a wonderful experience today at Scholars Crest International School, especially for the children, learning outside the classroom, basically on transaction. We want to see this opportunity to thank our parents who came, in en masse, patronizing the children and other vendors around.
Education is not about the core subjects in the classroom. It's being able to see the world and to see what life is all about. So negotiating, going to the market has given these children that impetus to do things better. Most of the products sold were made by them. I want to give kudos to the school, the management.
I'm Olubumi Unshewu, the Education Director of Scholars Crest International School. And it's been very, very exciting in the sense that these children are learning in an unguarded environment. It is not like the rigid classroom setting, but here they are free to move from one counter, from one store to another, and make a choice of their interests and bargain and exchange such for money. And I think it's something that we should look into from time to time. I mean, getting out of classroom and doing these things in an unguarded way by the children will make learning more fun.
We have finally come to end of today's market adventure. On behalf of the whole school, I would like to say thank you to the vendors and parents for adding color to this day. And we hope to have another day like this again. Thank you.